We have the selfie stick. It's an L16. It's a long one. It comes with instructions, and this is what it looks like. You've got two little lights that fit onto either side of the phone holder. You've got a USB Type A to USB Type C to charge the little lights, and nice little handle on it. It's got a 1/4" mount on the end, so you can put your GoPro mounts on it. This little locking mechanism allows you to sort of position the phone wherever you want it and lock it in place. Got a little handle that swivels, and the rest of the selfie stick itself becomes a counterweight. This is the selfie stick extended fully. I found it probably the best to hold that, and you can rotate the actual camera itself. There is a little bit of movement down the bottom, so it's not the steadiest, not the sturdiest as they say. You can probably see that little bit of movement there. It will stand up to a bit of wind, so that's okay. You've got the remote control on the little handle here, so that works quite well. You've got a bit of movement, as you can see there, in the stick itself. And these little lights just simply pop on and off. And as you just saw, you can actually rotate to any angle you want. So that's another good feature about this particular tripod. Now, one of the things I really don't like is when you go to close it, you have to be really careful down the bottom with the legs, otherwise you'll pinch yourself, and I've done that a few times already. So that's something you have to be a bit wary of.